Hi, this is Chetan and I am your instructor for this training. I'm passionate about the training and that's where I'm doing the trainings on AWS from past 2 years. I conduct classroom training for IT professionals. However, while doing this training from last 2 years, one thing I realized that the concept that people typically find it difficult to get is a networking in AWS. And in my opinion, networking is the most important concept which people should get because it decides the security of your application, whether it would be able to scale, how to prevent attacks. So in order to build a really good architecture on AWS, it's very important you understand each and every bit of the networking. And that's where I have built this course, which is specifically focuses on networking in AWS. This course, if you see, is divided into two parts. One is about understanding networking from zero to the depth, and then second talks about the exercises. I believe in learning by doing, and that's where this course more focuses on doing the hands-on exercises.
Course for you, AWS networking course, in which I'm going to cover in-depth understanding of AWS networking by doing actual hands-on exercises. So in this course, I'm going to cover right from what is VPC, how to have the addressing for your VPC, how to have internet connectivity using IGW, how to have public subnets where you typically deploy your load balancers or a web servers, how you should create private subnets, how the routing is configured for that, how to have some network for your databases, and then for machines in private subnet, how to enable internet connectivity using NAT. And further some advanced concepts like if you want to access your S3 buckets in the same region, then how can you use VPC Endpoint to lower your cost. Then if you want to connect two VPCs with private connection, then how can you use VPC Peering connections. And further, even you can connect your AWS VPC with your on-premises data centers using VPN and direct connect. And there is much more inside this, and everything that this course covers, we will do hands-on exercises by actually implementing the things. So yeah, if you are interested, I would be very happy to see you there taking this course, networking in AWS. Thank you.